So let's deal with supplemental problem 310. You can find this problem in the course ebook in the Chapter 3 Supplemental Problems on page 13. Given this circuit, which has two independent sources, a dependent source, and three resistances, can you solve for the voltage V1? And knowing that, can you solve for the power absorbed by this 10 ohm resistor? Since the voltage across here is V1, let's find the current I that flows through all these elements. V1 divided by 5, that's going to flow through here and get multiplied by 10. V1 divided by 5 times 10 is 2V1. That same current flows through here. And now we have V1 over 5 times 15, which will give us 3V1. Go around the loop. I'll go around counterclockwise. I have a rise in voltage of 3, a drop of V1, a drop of 3V1, a drop of 2V1, a drop of 30, and a drop of 3V1. And that's this expression right here, equal to the rise in voltage. I have V1, 3V1, that's 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 9V1. Put this on the other side of the equation. I get 3 minus 30, or a minus 27, and that makes V1 a minus 3 volts. Now the voltage across here was 2V1. The power absorbed by the 10 ohm resistor is going to be the voltage across its square divided by the resistance. The 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Square that divided by 10. We get 36 divided by 10, or 3.6 watts. And this is supplemental problem 310.